Okay, guys, let me see. Wait. You recording?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Okay, today we're going to cook easy food, my friends. We make taco truck burritos. Yeah. We don't need a stove. We don't need oil. We don't need nothing.
Oh wait, you got tacos?
Yeah, cabrón.
What about? Okay, burritos.
This is the most easy food I make. Easy, just go grab the burrito on the taco truck. Hey,
that's it. We got a taco truck.
but watch, they do a special for us. Watch. Onion, carrots.
Extra carrots, did you?
Extra carrots. Now, look at this beauty, guys. They my friends. I teach them how cook this thing, and that's why they... Yeah, all right. Okay, taco truck. Let's go eat.
We didn't feel like cooking anything, so we went on taco trucks.
Yeah, perfect. Excellent.
That's it. That's the video.
That's the video. Ay, cabrón. Okay.
Which one? You got the pastor?
Yeah, you chicken, right?
Yeah, I'm a chicken.
No. No, you got chicken in your burrito.
Yeah.
This is easy, guys. Watch. I show you how to eat burritos. They come with this thing, and then just go around like this. Ready. You see?
How to eat a burrito.
Cheers. Oh, wait. Cheers, cabrón. Like all.
It's very important to get lemons.
Delicious.
Put lemon on it. That's a must.
Delicious.
Jalapeno.
Jalapeno always is good.
And onions.
Oh, first time in the video. We got napkins here. That's very important. Napkins. Okay.
That's true.
Man, this is delicious.
In California, we got a bunch of these Mexican taco trucks. They make the best burritos ever.
Yeah.
Not sure how it is in other states.
Probably in other states, not too many. In California, every single corner. Yeah, almost. Yeah. A lot of taco trucks.
Depends what city in California.
Yes. But from...
I don't know, like in San Francisco, they don't have too many.
No, yeah, they do.
They do?
Yeah, everywhere.
Oh, Rico's here.
Oh, Rigo. Hi, Rigo. Rigo, this is too good.
Too good to give to you.
Okay, Edwin, talk to me about something.
Should I give Rigo some of this or no? Just keep it all to myself.
I don't know, but look at this beauty. Onions. Carrot.
Rigo, you want some? Oh, you know what?
Radish. Radish, how you call this? Radish?
Yeah.
Perfect. I think from LA to I don't know, Sacramento all the way here is a lot of taco trucks everywhere. Every single city.
That's true. Did you guys like that video with monkeys jumping on the bed?
Oh.
Cabrón. The little monkeys jumping on them. I wish we had some salt to put on this onions.
Yeah, the video is good. The steel beans. Check the video on the other channel. It's funny, right? The little monkeys. I learned the song because my daughter played this thing every single day. Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and popped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor say, no more monkeys jumping in the bed. Ay, cabrón. Rigo, we don't cook nothing today. Bob.
Oh, one thing. A lot of people on the on these videos where I carry a gun behind me, on my shoulder, they ask why I put why I carry around a rifle. In case somebody tries to rob us or attack us to take our guns away, or let's say I'm out of rounds in my gun, the one that I'm shooting, that's my backup. So in case somebody's driving around and just comes up, tries to be curious or something, I don't know, it's good as a safety precaution to have a secondary backup, right?
Yeah, because when we do the videos, we're in the middle of nowhere. It's no people, no nothing. If we scream,
I mean, if we have 20, let's say 10, 15 guns 50 yards away and we're checking out the target, it'll take us forever to go back to the truck to see what's going on. What if somebody comes up over there and they use our own guns against us, or they're already armed? So multiple possibilities, right?
yeah.
That's why. Now you know.
And thank you for your comments. We read all the comments.
Mm-hmm.
Some really funny. It's pretty good. I like to read the comments.
People love your eyes. They say you got the
Eagle eyes.
eagle eyes.
Because I found the bullets. Oh. I don't know what I saw when this thing come down, and oh, cabrón, I found everything.
You want the jalapeno or no?
No, eat it. Cabrón.
I love jalapeno.
Yeah, that's the best. The best in the world. You see, easy food today, delicious, my friend. This is very good.
Sorry, we didn't feel like cooking. We're too lazy today, right?
Yeah.
No macho, mucho macho.
No. Ay, cabrón. Burrito taco truck.
Puerto Rico. He wants some. You don't put lemon on your burrito?
No,
Oh, which one you got? You got pastor?
al pastor, yeah.
Okay. His is pork, mine is chicken.
Yeah, mine is pork. They got pork, beef. Oh, they have a tongue, a cow head. What else? Wow, they got too many varieties. Oh, no. It's a,
Yeah, varieties.
Oh, yeah? Okay,
You
yeah.
got it right.
My English got better. Oh!
Sorry, I'm using your plate.
No, it's okay. Cabrón, this is good.
Wow, I was so hungry.
Rigo. Okay, Rigo. Half for you, half for me. This is spicy.
Oh, I forgot to hit record.
No way.
Yeah.
No, it's recorded. Wow. Yeah. Come on. You scared me. You scared me because I said, okay, I have to say the same thing again.
Oh, I got it.
Rigo, hey. Rigo, Rigo. Okay. Rigo, don't listen. Let me eat this thing. Yeah. Taco truck. Thank you. Thank you for cooking for us. Right?
Yeah.
Now?
Oh, you're done?
Cabron, it's only one burrito. Cabron, one burrito like this. Okay. I shared with Rigo.
How did you finish before me?
I shared with Rigo. Half.
No, really?
No. This is my favorite food. That's why.
Oh man, I'm so stuffed. More jalapeno. You want the onions? Take them.
Oh, too much. Now I'm full.
That's it.
That's it?
You sure you don't want the onions?
No, I'm sure.
Positive?
Positive.
El
And
positivo?
onion is not good for dogs.
But it's good for me.
Yeah, for juice. Yeah, sure. Clean everything inside.
It has penicillin in it.
Yeah, onion is good. Always.
That's it.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching the videos. And
Sorry there was no cooking today. But still, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
as always, thank you for watching.
That one.
Okay, let me clean the kitchen.
Hasta luego, amigos.
Hasta luego.